Hi there. I was thinking about some forms of governance in the world, and I'm sure you remember them too. First, I got to thinking about autocracy, or specifically one person rule, like in monarchy and dictatorships. Well, we have had plenty to study about them and how they affected the countries in the world. Then I thought about the modern form of governance, and that is, of course, democracy, which means people's rule. And you are no stranger to this topic too. Well, in the past, we have discussed why we felt democracy is a better form of government as compared to the other two. So, do you remember? In case you don't, here's a little refresher for you. So, we felt that democracy was better because it, 1, promotes equality amongst citizens. 2, enhances the dignity of individuals. 3, improves the quality of decision making. 4, provides a method to resolve conflicts. And 5, allows room to correct mistakes. When we talk to people around us, most of them support democracy against other alternatives, such as a rule by a monarch or military or religious leaders. But you will find that not so many of them are satisfied with democracy in practice. And this is where we hit a tight spot, or a dilemma as we say it, because democracy, which is although seen to be good in principle, is not felt to be so good in its practice. So this dilemma makes us think hard about the outcomes of democracy. Do we prefer or support it only for moral reasons, or are there some other practical reasons too to support democracy? But you see, there isn't an easy answer to these questions, as there isn't an easy way to judge democracy. And that's because over 100 countries of the world today claim and practice some kind of democratic politics. So you see, people wish to be ruled by representatives elected by them. And they also believe that democracy is suitable for their country. So democracy's ability to generate its own support is itself an outcome that cannot be ignored.
Tutormate. For more amazing video lectures, download the free app on Apple App Store or Google Play Store.